Welcome to this video. My name is Jessica Lux and today I'm going to be showing you my 5-minute makeup tutorial. So first things first, because I have oily skin, I start with the Neostrata Pore Minimizing Anti-Shine Hydration Gel, and I put a little bit on my fingers and I dot it on my oiliest areas, which is my T-zone as well as my right here. What is this area? Under the eye? So that just helps me mattify my face, because I find that when my face is matte, my pores don't stand out as much and we can sort of fake the look of a BB cream on my skin, even though it's a step that I skip entirely when I'm doing a 5-minute makeup look. So the next thing I do is a little bit of contour. I've got my Essence, my cream contour stick right here, and I use that just to carve out the cheeks a little bit, and I'll put some on the hairline as well. And then I'll blend that out with my beauty blender. And then I'll quickly dab on a couple drops of the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. Right now I'm using the shade Starlight. This way, at the very least, my face has a little bit of a healthy glow, which I feel plumps up the skin, and then we have the contour in all the right places to give my face a little shape. And then I'll use the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Eclat on any problem areas I have on my face. So I can see a couple red dots. Pimples healing right now, so I'm just going to cover those up, as well as hit the red spots that occur naturally on my face. And then I'll grab my trusty neutral Morphe palette and I'll pick a tan shade, so probably this one, and just dust that over my eyelids. And then we've got the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara in black, and I'll do a couple swipes of this over my eyelashes just to define them a touch. And then I quickly grab my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray and give myself a quick mist. Spritz on some Maison Margiela replica perfume in the scent By the Fireplace. And then I finish off with my trusty NYX Liquid Suede brown lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. Okay, that was it. Thank you for watching my 5-minute makeup tutorial. This is my go-to if I'm ever in a huge hurry, and there are a lot of little cheats that make it work. So spot correcting saves you a ton of time on a full face of foundation. Highlighter on bare skin actually looks really radiant. In my opinion, going for an all-over brown look really helps shape your face and make it look like you've put in an effort. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments. Like, subscribe, follow me on social media. You guys know the drill, and I will see you in the next one.